In this chapter, we'll learn to use list and tables in HTML. HTML list allow to group a set of related item in list. It can be used to describe a topic with points. In this chapter, we'll learn to use list and tables in HTML. Like we have two types of list available in the word processor, that is bullets and numbering. Both list types are also available for HTML. Bullets list the item with symbol as a bullet point, and numbering lists the item with number or any alphabetical order. In HTML, for making a list of items to be displayed on our web page, we use list tag. List tag can be used in following ways: an unordered list and an ordered list. So first we'll see an unordered list. An unordered list is a collection of related items that have no special order. So it's a collection of related items with no order. This list is created by using UL tag, and each list item starts with the li tag. Each list item is marked with a bullet also. In unordered list, each list item is marked with a bullet. We can also provide different symbols or design for bullets, and the default bullet style is a disc, or we can say a circle bullet. It is a container tag. It has AND tag, and for adding item we need to use li tag. So each list item start with the li tag. List item. Li tag are used to add a list item, and this is a container tag. Attributes of unordered list. The type attribute specify the design of the bullet to be used in the unordered list. So the value is disc, circle, square, whereas disc is a filled circle, which is the default value also, and circle is an unfilled circle, and then square, a filled square is also there. Let's move to the ordered list. It is a collection of numbered items, and this type of listing have a proper ordering with numbers or alphabet. This list is created by using ol tag. Ol tag is used to start a ordered list. Different style of numbering and ordering can be used. For adding items we need to use li tag also here, and it is a container tag that is at the end of the list. We have to type /ol. Attributes of order list are start and type. Start specify start value of a list, and type specify kind of numbering used in a list.